Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Roast. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly brush roast with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Roast in a roasting pan approximately 15 minutes per pound for medium rare. A 3.5 pound roast will take about 45 minutes to cook, or to desired internal temperature.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Tenderloin is a lean cut, so it can easily become dry and overcooked. This method of slow roasting and reverse searing not only safeguards against overcooking, it rather ensures you'll have perfectly pink results from edge to edge with a super tasty crust.
Take our lead.
Insert an oven-going thermometer, $22, target into the center of the tenderloin. Roast, uncovered, until desired doneness according to the timings below. Transfer the tenderloin to a cutting board and cover with foil. Let stand 15 minutes before slicing.
Take our lead.
Instructions. Allow tenderloin to rest until it reaches room temperature. This could take about 45 minutes. Preheat the oven to 300 degrees. Bake 20 to 25 minutes per pound for rare. Medium rare it should take between 30 to 35 minutes per pound. Check temperature with a thermometer.
Take our lead.
145 degrees Fahrenheit. The USDA recommends steaks and roasts be cooked to 145 degrees Fahrenheit, medium, and then rested for at least 3 minutes. To ensure food safety, ground beef should be cooked to a minimum 160 degrees Fahrenheit, well done. Be sure to check with a thermometer, as color alone is not a foolproof indicator.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Tip: you don't need to sear beef tenderloin before roasting. Insert an oven-going meat thermometer in the thickest part of the roast. If you don't have an oven-going meat thermometer, you can check the doneness with an instant read thermometer near the end of cooking time.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
15 minutes. Allow it to rest for 15 minutes before carving. The temperature of the meat will continue to rise for as much as 10 degrees Fahrenheit during this time. This is called carryover cooking. While resting, the juices in the roast will redistribute evenly throughout the meat, ensuring the best succulence, texture and flavor.
Take our lead.
Well, traditional recipes for tenderloin, and most steaks and roasts, call for first searing the meat at a high temperature, then finishing it off at a relatively low temperature. Once the meat is done, all you've got to do is put a sear on it. With a steak, I'll generally do that in a large skillet on the stovetop.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.